Okay, welcome to day 5. So, it's been quite an adventure since day 4. I don't remember if the bumper was off then, but the bumper's off now. And there's my tables, messy and dirty. This is what happened. The rack is rusted pretty bad. And if you look right here, that's the power steering input to go to the passenger side. And this one will send it to the driver's side. Actually, I'm not sure if it's reversed. Anyway, the pistons are in there. It's a hydraulic cylinder. There's a tie rod. This is the rack. And that's a, can't remember what the kind of the valve is. This is the valve thingy, and this is the drive gear. However it goes. Drive and driven gears. And the big thing is, headers are on. Oh, it's dark in there. Let's see if I can get some light. Okay. There's the headers. Underneath. I don't think I've ever done this before. We'll do a little of that. It follows around. So here's the parts bin of junks. So there is the original steering arm, steering wheel, and there's the one I had to buy because I had to cut that one off. And here's the other half of it where the rag joint is. What an effort. As you can see, we're doing calipers, we're doing steering, we're doing rack and pinions, we're doing headers, we're doing, well, even there's a plug-in for the O2 port, we're doing oxygen sensors. Just about everything that could be messed up in here rested. And I probably have to do struts and CV shafts after a while, but anyway, it's closer. Here's a shot of them from above. Gotta put the thing on the battery charger here for a while. I don't know if I can go upside down. I don't think I can do that. Oh, it's hard. There we go. Okay. So here's the Tundra. Getting lots of work. But we're getting closer. Okay, that's it.